Hey fitness dudes! Today we're breaking down D-Bal Max, a powerful natural supplement that's been making waves in the bodybuilding community. If you're looking to pack on serious muscle without the risks of steroids, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's dive straight into what makes D-Bal Max special. This bad boy is loaded with scientifically backed ingredients like magnesium, zinc, and ashwagandha, all working together to boost your natural testosterone and growth hormone levels. Think of it as your body's own muscle-building powerhouse, but supercharged. Here's what's awesome. Unlike other supplements that just pump you full of stimulants, D-Bal Max actually supports your body's natural anabolic processes. You've got vitamin B6 for energy, L-arginine for killer pumps, and a whole stack of other ingredients that help you train harder and recover faster. Using it couldn't be easier. Just pop 4 capsules about 30 to 45 minutes before you hit the weights, and you're good to go. Users are reporting some crazy results. We're talking better pumps, faster recovery, and serious strength gains in as little as 2 weeks. Now, let's talk benefits. We're looking at accelerated muscle growth, massive strength gains, faster recovery times, and way more energy for those intense training sessions. Plus, it helps you shed fat while building lean muscle. Who doesn't want that? Price-wise, you're looking at different package options. The best deal? Grab their 5-month supply. You'll save almost $200. And check this out. They're throwing in free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee. All reward. Whether you're a hard gainer trying to bulk up or you've hit a plateau in your training, D-Bal Max could be exactly what you need to take your gains to the next level. It's safe, legal, and actually works. That's the lowdown on D-Bal Max. If you're ready to transform your physique the natural way, hit up the link in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more supplement reviews, and drop a comment if you've tried D-Bal Max. Until next time, keep crushing those gains.